Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to use the Canva application in your system. So I have already installed the Canva application on my system. Come to the laptop and click on the search box and type the Canva. Click on the Canva application, and this is the home page of the Canva application. This is the templates. Click on it. The templates is also available here. Your design is also available here. I want to make an intro video. Type the intro video for the YouTube, and then scroll down, and you can see here these are all the intro video. I want to change this one video. Welcome to my channel. Click on it, and you can see here. Scroll down, and you can see here. This is the pro video also available. I will make a fresh video how to use the pro feature of the Canva application. So I want to customize this one video. Then click on the customize this templates button. Click on it. So you can see here I want to manage the text. Click on it, and you can see, and you can see here you can change the font size by clicking the minus and plus button. I minimize this one, and you can also minimize and maximize the text. The option is or available here. So click on the tool. I want to write on the templates. You can see here software installation in use. I write it, and you can move the text from one place to another place, and you can also the font size, minimize and maximize the font size, and you can also bold the font size, and you can adjust the font size, and you can also apply the animation. Click on animation, and you can see here these are all the animation option. Scroll down, and this is the scroll down, and I want to apply this one animation on my text. Click on it, and then you can minimize, maximize the intensity, and you can see here I apply the animation, and now I want to apply the effect. Click on effect option. The effect, you can see here any one effect you can apply on your text, and this is the curve feature, and you can increase and decrease the curve. You can see here I want to increase and decrease the curve by increasing and decreasing this one option, and you can also apply the alignment option on your text, and you can also the list option, and you can also the font option. You can also apply the font option. You can see here you can change the font of your text. Scroll down. This is the mix and gradient color. You can also apply on your text, and the RGB option is also available here. Click on it, and you can select any type of color from here. Now you can maximize and minimize, and you can also apply the position. The position option you can also apply here. This is the position: left, middle, center, right, bottom. You can apply one of them. You can see here left option, center option, middle option. I apply the middle option on my text, and this is the transparency. You can also apply the transparency to increase and decrease the transparency of your text, and you can also apply the font, which one font you can easily apply. I want to apply this one font. Click on it. You can select any one font from the font option. So this is the layer, and you can also click one layer. This is the layer also available here. These are different layer are available. I want to click on this one layer, and I can easily move the layer. You can see here from up to down, and you can also easily move the layer from one place to another place where you want. And you can also delete the layer easily from the delete option also available here. I want to share and I want to how to download the templates. Click on the share option, and then click on the download option. Click on it, and finally click on the download option. It will depend upon your internet speed. Click on it. The downloading will start here. The exporting will start here. Change the name of your project. My project name is intro video. Click on it. The download will complete here. For the checking, click on the folder, and you can see here intro video is available here. Open the intro video, and you can see here this is my templates. I have done these all change, and you can see here. So in short, in this video I have explained to you the basic use of the CapCut application and how to make the intro video for the YouTube channel. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.